Yeah, so this is our FETRI DETSI and okra soup. Yeah, and it comes with akpele, one of the dopest food in the water side or from the water side. Okay, so this is our akpele and awedemi. This ewe language, when you want to learn how to speak or want to speak, your tongue and your teeth has to have some connections. You know, some connections that are able to flow the air through it. Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This is your boy Cooking with Sindaco and I'm back again. So this food we're about to prepare today is one of the top delicacies in Volta region, the Ewe land. And also it's one of the simplest and easiest food you can prepare. Very organic food and it requires no oil. Everything natural and and I bet you after trying this food you ask for more. The food is so delicious to the extent that man, finger licking. So it's basically okra soup and it goes with akpele. And if you're not voltarian, you can also do benku or can buy a fancy cake and still enjoy with this okra soup. FETRI DETSI, man, that's the name of the soup. FETRI DETSI, meaning okra soup. So let's dive into it. Let me show you the steps and how you can prepare this at home, and trust me, you enjoy it. So I hope you like this video. Sit tight, enjoy, and make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Follow us on Facebook, TikTok, everywhere. Yeah, let's do this. Record one. So preparing of ewedemi akpele is ongoing, and very soon I'll be doing justice to this food, and still in the water side, and yeah. Record. Let's do this. So this chopping of the okra for FETRI DETSI. Okay.
Mimi aba FETRI acho. Hey mi kokoga ku FETRI DETSI.
Oh hey.
Mi choga gbaje.
So each soup and how the okra is being chopped. So this is FETRI DETSI. These spices or ingredients over here, we are going to blend them, and we have ginger, garlic. Yeah, so this is our craft for the FETRI DETSI. Yeah, salt to the crab. No water.
No, I'll pour water.
Water, okay.
Well.
Okay, this is fresh koto.
Crab, gala.
Yeah, gala.
Yeah.
Koto. We call it koto.
Yeah.
This dry smoked fish, and we're using it for the FETRI DETSI. Yeah, record. Yeah, so yeah, this is our crab, and yeah, record. Okay,
FETRI DETSI, okra soup.
This is the DETSI.
For okra soup.
Okay. Yeah, so we're about to make our FETRI DETSI, and the garden eggs and the okra will go inside the water. Okay, so now we have our FETRI DETSI. Okay.
We are cooking FETRI toto, FETRI DETSI, Adama DETSI, Bobby Tadi, Bobby Bamatadi.
Yeah, so we are taking the legs from the crab. Yeah, I think it's the feet, not the whole leg, the feet. Yeah. Show it.
We put it inside.
Okay, so now we've added the crab to our FETRI DETSI. So we first boiled the crab and we took off the feet. Now we've divided into two and added to the boiling okra. Onions will go inside, yeah, inside the FETRI DETSI. FETRI. So FETRI means okra, because the DETSI is the soup, right? Okay, okra soup. We added the Maggi, half of Maggi.
Half.
Yeah. Now we stir everything together. Wow. Bakposhito. Okay. So we have our dry fish over here. Yeah, so this is the soup and ongoing FETRI DETSI. So basically everything is being done on the pot like putoshwe. Yeah, instant thing.
I'll put small salt.
Okay. So add a bit of salt to taste. Yeah.
I'll put
Cow. Okay.
Cow.
Yeah. So because we are boiling okra, we are adding a bit of bicarbonate, which is cow. Yeah. Okay. Now we stir it. Yeah. So we are grinding our this ingredient.
Yeah, for the steaming of the trepa. Yeah. Yeah, so this is our trepa for FETRI DETSI, and we are using the pot that was used to boil the crab. Yeah. So, baby. Yeah, baby is crying. Yeah, so the pot, this pot was used to boil the crab. Yeah, so you see that thing inside, it's nothing. And this is a trepa. Okay, so we are now about to steam or spice our what do you call trepa? Yeah, we need to steam this, and they just blended or grinded ingredients has been used to mix. Yeah. Yeah. So apart from grinding the onion, we chop some and add it to it to give that flavor. Yeah. So a bit of salt to taste. Yeah. Yeah, so after 3 the cheese also on fire, and see how it is, like the sliminess is inside. Yeah, wow. FETRI DETSI. No, okay. FETRI DETSI. Yeah, you see, we have crab, we have fish, we have garden eggs, like dope. Yeah, so we are adding some fresh pepper, and I will break them, then add them to what do you call it, to our FETRI DETSI. So if you like more pepper, then you take one, then you go, you mash it on your food. Yeah, so we have water for the akpele, and we are adding water, we are adding salt to it. Yeah. So we're about to do the akpele, and as usual, we make porridge and take a bit of the corn flour to make akpele. Okay, so add water to it. You stir it up. Okay, so this is our boiled water, and now the corn flour is now going inside. Yeah.
After stirring, we leave it. We cover it
For it to boil. Okay. Okay. This is FETRI DETSI, and now adding our trepa. Yeah. The boiled trepa, and so basically this soup is not a covered soup. You can't cook this soup with covering. Past covering it, yeah. So FETRI DETSI is here, and the soup is ready. No oil has been added. Nothing. FETRI DETSI, and basically this will go with akpele. Yeah, so this is our cassava dough, and yeah, this type of akpele is being mixed with cassava.
It's called awademi.
Well, no, what me?
I work black belly more, so awademi.
Okay.
So this is another type of akpele.
Akpele, okay. Yeah, so this is our akpele, the porridge for the akpele.
Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah, so we're taking some of the porridge out, and to come back later. Yeah. So it's just like preparing TZ. As I always say. So now the corn flour comes in. Yeah, so the awademi akpele is ongoing, and before the cassava comes, this needs to be ready, almost ready before it comes. Yeah. So you see that it's not mixed from the start like how you prepare benku. It's different thing altogether. Awademi. Okay. So you cover it for it to boil, for the heat to cook it. Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, so after 5 minutes, we need to continue boiling, stirring our awademi akpele, and it's ongoing. Yeah, so I've been told there's a local akpeteshi or local whiskey over here, and I need to try the Ewe version of this apio, the mula, or whatever it is. Yeah. since I'm here, I need to be here for full 100% eating and testing. Yeah, because I'm discovering. When they say I'll be able to say some. Yeah, so okay, so now the cassava dough is going. Yeah. So the cassava dough is in, and as I said earlier, when the akpele is about to get ready, that's where the cassava dough will come inside. So it's different from how we prepare benku in Accra and all those places. Here it's different ball game altogether.
Belimota, yemi ke daria, mafana lo masana wana clay. Belimota tena
Clack.
adenona mani.
Yeah, so this is the local.
The ha. It's made from
Sugar cane.
No.
That is sugar cane.
No. It's made from abe, like palm.
Okay, so palm wine. Okay, palm tree.
Yeah, the ha.
Okay, the ha. Okay, yeah. So this is the local mullahs from the water side, number 9. Since I'm testing everything, eating everything, I need to test this too. Something small for the boys. Yeah. Wabua. Ha! Mamma mia. Guys. Davi. Yeah, so it has been covered for the second time, and it's been 5-7 minutes. Yeah. Akpele is ready, yeah? Abi. Enya bigelo, abi. Aduduvi. As I've been doing in the previous videos, here they eat together. So when the food is ready, the whole family sits around and they eat together, yeah? So, yeah, okay. Hello brothers and sisters, this is how y'all doing. This boy Cookie with Sindaco and I'm back again. Yeah, so I'm here with another video, and now we're done with our FETRI DETSI with akpele awedemi. Yeah, this is one of the dopest food in the waterland. Aigbe number 9. Yeah, so we're about to try this food, and over here when the food is ready, the whole family sits around and they eat together. So if you don't eat, you are a suspect. There's something wrong with you. Therefore, let's do this. Okoro, akpele, yeah, and FETRI DETSI, yeah.
Katana kefu,
So
Adama.
you need to go. You need to roll your hand like that. Yeah, yeah. So because of the slimeness, you need to be cutting under. Anyway, no food and a healthy one from the water side. Try this food and you love it.
That's no one.
Very true. Yeah, so all this food is being hidden. We don't know them in Accra and Kumasi. Yeah, very few people know them, and the majority doesn't know. Healthy food, simple to prepare, doesn't take that much time to prepare, and I wish you prepare some at home and enjoy yourself. Yeah. So if this is the first time watching, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook as well. Cookie with Sindaco for Shazam and Nizzle. Yeah, I'm out.